$500 a day. How to make $500 a day? Forex trading. In this video, we will talk about how we can make $500 a day simply doing Forex trading online. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the stream. My name is Shah, and you are watching your own Forex channel, FX Shah. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe so you can get latest updates. So guys, in this video, I will show you in this morning how I made 400 plus dollars just by simply one trade. And I have a group that how I made it, and we will talk and we will discuss in a while. Just give me a moment. If you go to the Telegram channel, in this my Telegram channel, you can look here. Before entering to the chat, I posted this setup in my Telegram. This is before and this is after. And I did a post here when my TP got missed by few pips, but later on I got the trade worked. It was the target which I got. It has $416 just by simply one trade, and I have more trade as well, and on which I completed my $500. So we will talk about that how you can make such amount of money. But keep in mind, guys, if you are here to just simply in the dreams, or you heard somewhere that how I will be a millionaire in just overnight, so it's not possible. This video is not for you. If you want to make consistent profits and you want to be a profitable trader, you will have to be uh, patient, and you will have to learn the way how you can trade. So why I am making this video, the main reason is that I am starting a community on Telegram. Second, I have a gift for you in the aid of this video. So please bear with me and stay till in, and I have a big surprise for you in the form of some course or webinar. I will talk about this later on. Just bear with me. We'll talk about it as well. That what gift I am going to give you. But now I will explain that why I took these trades and how I made such profits within 1 hour and what was the entry triggers. So let's dive in. First of all, I will go to the my MT4 account. If you look here, this is my MT4 account, and this is the area on which I took a trade for shorts, which I explained before. In my trading view, the current is a New York session open is near. I'm not trading because I already took one trade and I'm not worried about the market, so that's why I am here. Now if you go to the daily chart, in the daily chart the price is go moving to the upside, and if you know and you look here that we got a second touch here in this area. If you look here, and after that the market is going to the downside, and now we got a pullback in the form of impulsive candles in the upper side. Here we don't have any signal to go short or these things because I placed my trade based on a 1 minute chart. So we will go further down to 4 hour chart. And if you look here in the 4 hour chart, yesterday we were here somewhere here, and we created some sort of small flag and we did a breakout. So it was creating a downside move. And if we go further down to the 1 hour chart, here we have a clear picture on which I can show you why I took this trade, right? So if you look here, the price is going down way, and in this area, if you look here about this trend line, in the morning when I came here for trading, so the price was moving in upside channel. It was moving some here, and if you look here in this area, it was price was trying to go to the upside and it's failed. And what was my entry trigger? I will show you that as well. Now this is the correct way to place the trend line. Now we will go further down to 15-minute chart so we can get an idea about the trade. When I was in this area, so I marked the chart here, and this was an area. So when my bias was short opportunity, because I look here to the 1 hour chart, and this was a resistance, right? It was also a resistance, and it was also the confirmation attached with the trend line. So when I go went to further down, and if you look here in this area, the price did rejection, and if you look here, the price was moving here. So when I went to the 1 minute chart, and I combined that with the timings. If you look here, this move in 5 minutes, this move looks like an impulse. But when we go to the 1 minute chart, you can get an idea that this move was not in the look like not an impulse. If you look here, this was not an impulse move. It was just simply a corrective structure moving in a to the upper channel. And when the price reaches to this area, so if you look here in this area, is we do a structure based trading. This is one, and this is two, and this is three. So this is one leg. If you combine, this is one, two, three, and it is one, two, three. So this whole move is one, and this is two, and this is three. This was a whole one leg, right? So this leg from here till here, it was a one leg. So whenever we get a move to the upside, so we need a correction, right? So based on that idea, one was this was a 1 hour resistance, right? And second, if you look here in the higher time frames on 4 hour chart, so it was also a resistance. In 1 hour, it was also a resistance. And if you look here, another one thing, it was forming triangle. So triangle is a continuation pattern for any type of move. For example, if the price is moving to the upside and you got a triangle, so triangle can be a continuation for the upside. And if the price is moving to the downside and you got some sort of triangle, expanded or normal triangle, so it can be a continuation for a down move. So that was also another confluence for short opportunity. So if you go to the 1 minute chart, we got a double top here, we got multiple confluences, and based on that we took this trade. Now about the stop loss, why was the stop loss a bit above the market structure? If you go to the telegram channel and you look here, I put my stop loss above this high because this high was not suitable for putting the stop loss, and I entered using pending order, using sell stop, and my order get triggered. My entry was here, and my 111 was here, 101, and it was 1 to 5 was here, and I achieved it, I think so here. So this was my target was a second leg, which is this one. This was one leg and this was another. So my first target was this area. Now the market is moving to the downside again, and we got again the similar structure. If you look here, the price is moving in now the movement look like an impulse. This move is look like an impulse move, right? So in the form of structures, if you look here, we got a one leg, right? So if the price respect this low, and the price come down and respect this area, so we can expect one leg to the upside like this, right? If the price don't respect this low, so we can expect a similar move to the downside, which will be this move. If you look here, if the price reaches here and we created a leg, which is this leg, we created this and we got a retracement. So after that, we can get another move to the downside, which will be something like this, and which has a confluence with this leg correction. and after that we can expect a move to the upside, right? So it's totally dependent on your analysis. I didn't did any analysis for now because I already took one trade and I got my pips, which was I expecting, right? In the similar scenario, if you go to the USD JPY, this was a similar trade in USD JPY. The price was moving to the upside, and it was a similar trade, right? So this was 1 2 3. We did a correction, and 1 2 3, and it was a top. Here we got a move to the downside, right? And we corrected the last leg. So it was another beautiful trade which I didn't took, right? Right, and if you go to the GBP USD, so in the GBP USD in the morning, it was also a beautiful trade on London session. It was moving in a character structure and 1 minute chart. We got a double top, and it was a similar concept, and we got a move to a downside, right? So this was another setup which I didn't take, but it was a similar concept. And again, in a Euro USD, if you go to the 1 minute chart, we got a beautiful structure here. The price was moving to the upside in the corrective structure. If you look here, we got a movement to the upside in the corrective structure. We got double top, we got a break, and a break we corrected the structure, right? So if you look here, we corrected the structure. So this was another move, right? So this is the whole idea and the whole concept how you can trade based on a structure, right? Now gold is going a bit stable in the form of spreads. The spreads are not that high. Before it was almost 100 pips, 50 pips spread. Now spread is not that high. That's why I took trades. And I will show you another thing. Just give me a moment, a minute. Okay, so this was another move, right? So this is the whole. If you look here in the video, I will stop this. First of all, I have one gift for you. I just created a Telegram group. You can look here in the description by simply clicking on this link. You can join my Telegram group on which I share setups. So you just can start with those setups and you can learn, right? And with that, I also created few videos related to market structure and how price action works and what is risk management. And I also created how you can create your own trading plan, how you can back test, and how you can create your own strategy. So based on that, I already created a mini series. You can watch those videos as well. And I have a final and a great surprise for you guys if you want to avail it. uh, I am planning a webinar for you guys if you want to attend. So simply just please send me email on tradingwithshai@gmail.com, and hope so in this week or on the coming week we will do a webinar on which we will discuss in a greater detail how the market structure works and what is my strategy and how I do my trading and what is my trading style. So on that webinar we will do these type of things, and I will answer all your questions which you have in mind. So if you have any question or any forex related query, please let me know in the email. Send me an email and I will send you an invitation link for the webinar. So that's it for today. If you have any other question or concern, please let me know. I would love to get back to you. And at the end, if you guys know, or I discussed in the last video, we are planning for the live streaming related to trading live. We will do live trading and I will share the ideas on live stream on New York session. So hope so in the coming days we will start that as well. So that's it for today. See you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye bye.